How to open and save Microsoft Word. To open Microsoft, you need to press the Start button. After you click it, search the word. After you search it, you will see many documents, programs, everything. And you will find Microsoft Office Word 2000. After you find it, you will click it. After you click it, it will open. So it was how to open Microsoft. Next is how to save Microsoft. First, you will going to type the document one. Example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. After you finish the document, you will click this blue icon. If you click this, it means that you saved the document. So let's click this because we want it to save. After we click the save button, you will type the title you want. Example, Fox. After that, after you enter the title, press the enter. And after you press the enter, it's now official that you saved the document. So that's how to save the document.